thing, that the recognition that the board tries to do every year in honor of that. And for that, we have a proclamation that was disseminated to the board for consideration.
Read it, please, sir.
I will. Whereas Africans began arriving on the Sea Islands in the 1500s, and whereas the population of these Africans increased as chattel enslavement grew in the 1600s, and whereas these Africans began to engage with and in some instances created families with indigenous Americans in the region, and whereas the descendants of this group are called Gullah Geechee, and whereas this group of self-sufficient people came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Islands and Low Country of the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida to stand on their human right to self-determination. And whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and whereas they elected and installed St. Helena Island native whose family's roots also stem from Polowana and Datwa Islands, Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And whereas Queen Quet has served as the official head Pundi Bodhi and spokesperson for Gullah Geechee since July 2nd, 2000, and whereas the 20th anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation is being celebrated under the theme Gullah Geechee 2020, and whereas we support the continuation of Gullah Geechee cultural heritage and sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation, whereas Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week begins in 2012, and whereas Liberty County annually joins with all other counties and cities of the Gullah Geechee Nation in this celebration, is the home of Geechee Kunda and the annual Riceboro Rice Fest, both contributing to the recognition and perseverance of the rich Gullah Geechee culture in Liberty County. And whereas to show support, we're asking citizens and visitors to take part in the activities associated with these events, which are part of the global activities for the United Nations International Decade of People of African Descent. Whereas the theme for this year's celebration is Gullah Geechee 2020, Seeing We Culture Clearly, and whereas Liberty County calls upon all of our citizens to celebrate with the citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation via virtual events and support of Gullah Geechee businesses and institutions. Now therefore, I, Donald L. Lovett, Chairman, do hereby proclaim July 25th through August 1st as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Liberty County.
All right. You said there was a comment submitted by her, Commissioner Phipps, that you saw?
Yes, she's on here.
She's on there.
Well, she's on here. She said, "Good evening, Liberty County Commissioners. Peace, Queen Quest."
All right. Peace to you too, Queen.
You try to sound like her.
Oh, I love to see her.
Yeah, I saw her on TV the other night.
Yeah.
All right, Queen, just so you see. Yes, okay. There you go, sir. Thank you, Mr. Brown. We look forward to that every year, the Queen coming to see us.
Yes.
Yeah. It's kind of a celebrity.